Ki khubor ka bate CCTV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Namar ka Jingshah Pynïap Raja Raghuvanshi ha kithan sora. Kabala kata shisha ya kaburam Jongka Jalla Meghalaya. Menteri ketana Jngohkai perthai ke Jalla. Timuthi di Shira ulong. Baka Sorkar ka don Jingmut ban Pyndait da ke CCTV kamera. Ha keleng ki Jaka Jngohkai ki badon ha keni ke Jalla. Timuthi ulong. Baka Sorkar kan penkre ban Pyndait no da ke CCTV kamera. Ha kitu ki Jaka ki bakham don kam. Bat kani ulong. Baka de ke Jingah Jingmut Jongki officer katana tourism.
Yeah, New Year's is approaching, Christmas is approaching very fast. We have some projects are yet to be completed. So first of all, I have in mind to complete all the projects which are already ongoing, in the process of implementation. Then after the implementation of these projects, then I'll think of the new project.
What is the main highlight? Means which project do you emphasize more on?
Since I'm holding the portfolio of tourism, I have in mind to develop tourism not only in one district or throughout the whole state, so that these people get employment. The youth who are educated but unemployed, they will also get the chance to get themselves employed.
CCTV cameras, are you also planning, because last time I remember that the government has taken up proposal about CCTV cameras in Sora area. What about
Not in all these tourist places. Wherever we feel it is necessary, then we will think of contemplate to install the CCTV.
how many CCTV cameras, or which are the places?
Depending on the area. I cannot say blindly that in that area, I say this number of CCTV camera will be necessary. So according to needs of the place.
But has the process started?
We have not planned it because it's only last year that incident took place, and after that no other incidents of similar case is taking place. It may be an exceptional, and still in some cases it may be necessary for us to install the CCTV for the safety of the tourists.
But have you started installing CCTV cameras in places?
Not yet started.
By when are you planning to start?
We'll have to hold a meeting, discuss, and then we have to call the tourist officer also from different districts, and we'll have to get the assessment from them, report from them, and when they said it is very much necessary to install CCTV in a particular place, that will think.
And when are you planning to call them?
I think it will be after January. Yeah, after in the month of January. Because now we are all in the festivity mood, and everybody is in a mood to go home. And then the government also announced that from 19 onward, all the offices will remain closed till the till the 2nd January. So there is no more time now for us.
What is your plan regarding making tourism plastic free?
Yeah, we have already taken the steps in all these tourist points. We are keeping these bins so that all the waste will be collected there, and then that will be removed, and it will be what is called disposed of in a proper manner. Yeah, that will that will motivate them. Why the bins are kept there? You see, it will motivate the people to throw the waste But the bin should be placed in such a way that people need not carry the waste for a long distance. It should be kept in a considerable distance so that the people will not find it difficult to carry the waste.